Some of the biggest calls you'll make: firing someone, a major hire or restructure, a big spend, land on you alone, late, after a 14-hour day. This is how to make that call well, instead of just making it fast. Here's the danger. The worst decisions get made alone, tired, and in a hurry. High stakes, low fuel, and nobody to push back on you is exactly the recipe for a call you'll regret, and the pressure makes it feel urgent when it usually isn't. For things work against you. A tired brain reaches for the fastest answer, not the best one. Alone, you have no devil's advocate, nobody to say the one thing that would have changed your mind. Sunk cost makes you defend the time and money already spent instead of what's true now. And false urgency makes it feel like it must be decided tonight, when most big calls can wait for morning. The fix is to run the decision through a filter before you commit. 5 questions that force the calm, outside view you don't have at 2 in the morning. Here's the 5-question filter. 1. The outside view. What would a sharp operator with no skin in this tell me to do? 2. Argue the other side. Make the strongest case against your gut. If you can't, you don't understand the decision yet. 3. Find a failure. If this goes wrong, how does it happen, and can I live with that version? 4. Count the hidden cost beyond the obvious price. Time, morale, relationships, the door it closes. And 5. The verdict. Proceed, revise, or reject, and ask if it's reversible. Sleep on anything you can't undo. If you only ask one question, ask this: is this reversible? If I'm wrong, can I walk it back? And what does walking it back cost? Reversible calls: decide fast and learn fast. Irreversible calls: slow down and run the full filter. Matching your speed to reversibility is most of good judgment. A few guardrails. Sleep on anything irreversible. Morning you is smarter than midnight you, and nothing truly good expires overnight. Separate the emotion. Frustration and fear aren't data. Name what you feel, then set it aside. Write it down. Put the call and your reasoning in one paragraph. If it's fuzzy on paper, it's fuzzy in your head. And once you've run the filter, decide and commit cleanly. Second-guessing forever is its own bad decision. So make the call you won't regret. Great operators aren't fearless. They just have a process that holds up when they're tired and alone. And this is exactly what the Force engine inside Nexus Command does. Bring it a major decision, and it runs all 10 sections and returns a verdict. Proceed, revise, or reject. No flate, no faking. Start free at nexuscmd.io. Thanks for watching.